Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if your Samsung Galaxy phone is stuck in safe mode and you can't seem to get out of it. So the most straightforward way to get out of safe mode is to simply restart your Android phone. Alternatively, you can also tap on the notification that appears in the notification panel and tap this turn off option to exit the safe mode. However, if your phone keeps booting into safe mode again, open the settings app. Now scroll all the way down and tap on developer options. Here turn off the toggle. Now simply try restarting your phone one more time and see if it works. If your phone keeps booting into safe mode, simply power off your Android phone first. Now you'll need to connect your phone to a computer or laptop using a cable. So plug the one end of the cable on your computer or laptop and the other one on your phone. Once your phone starts charging, you will need to press and hold the volume up button and the power button together. Keep holding these two buttons until the logo appears. Once the logo appears, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button. You should see this recovery menu. Here you will need to use the volume down button to get to the wipe cache partition option. Now press the power button to select it. Now wait for your Android phone to clear the cache partition. Now select the reboot system now option. Once you do this, your Android phone should exit the safe mode. However, if nothing else works, your last option is to simply factory reset your Android phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.